Welcome to another special presentation from bg.house, your trusted partner for finding beautiful, affordable properties in Bulgaria. Today, we're excited to show you an incredible opportunity in the peaceful village of Lomtsi for only 14.5 thousand euros. Just a short 8-minute drive from the town of Popovo, this charming property offers unbeatable value and endless potential. Whether you're looking for a quiet place to retire, a holiday retreat, or a renovation project full of character, this Bulgarian property for sale could be exactly what you've been searching for. Lomtsi is a traditional Bulgarian village, nestled among the rolling hills and natural beauty of northeastern Bulgaria. Life here moves at a slower, more meaningful pace. The streets are quiet, the air is fresh, and the locals are warm and welcoming. You'll find small shops for everyday needs, a post office, and regular transport links. It's peaceful without feeling isolated, and there's always something magical about waking up to the sound of birds and the scent of nature all around. The property itself includes a generous plot of land, approximately 1,500 square meters, giving you ample space for gardening, outdoor living, or even starting a small eco-project. There are multiple outbuildings on the plot, including an old barn and other structures made of stone and wood. Some are in usable condition, while others will need work. But that's part of what makes this such a great deal. You get a lot of space and structures to work with, and you can shape it all into something uniquely yours. The main building is solid, with a classic Bulgarian layout and plenty of charm. It features multiple rooms across 2 floors, plus a large stone basement that could be converted into a wine cellar, a workshop, or just cool, dry storage. There's real potential here to create a comfortable, rustic home with character and warmth. The structure is made of traditional materials and feels rooted in the history of the village. This isn't a new build, it's something with soul. A place where stories have been lived and more are waiting to begin. Water and electricity are available, though they've been switched off for safety while the property is unoccupied. Reconnect Ion is easy and can be handled by our team. The garden around the home already has fruit trees and space for a vegetable patch or flower beds. There's even enough room to add a summer kitchen, an outdoor seating area, or maybe even a small pool or guest house in the future. What makes this opportunity so appealing is the value for money. You're not just buying a building, you're buying land, potential, and a lifestyle. Compared to Western European prices, this Bulgarian property is incredibly affordable. You can invest a modest amount and still have funds left for renovation, upgrades, and landscaping. Properties like this offer room to breathe, not only in terms of space, but financially too. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or someone who prefers to leave the hard work to professionals, this is a property that you can transform over time, at your own pace. There's no rush. The bones are here, the charm, the space, the setting. And if you need help with the practical side of managing or renovating the property, that's where we come in. At bg.house, through our dedicated company Nyama Problemi Ltd, we offer a full suite of property support services. We can help with utility reconnect irons, setting up internet or satellite TV, managing inspections, even arranging cleaning or gardening. If you're not always in Bulgaria, no problem. We offer virtual property management. That means we can act on your behalf, making sure your property is safe, clean, and well looked after. We can also assist with legal paperwork, translation, and arranging contractors for repairs or building projects. Our goal is to make owning a Bulgarian property easy, enjoyable, and stress-free, especially if you live abroad. You don't have to be here full-time to enjoy the benefits of rural property ownership. With Nyama Problemi Ltd, you have a trusted team on the ground who treat your home with the same care as if it were our own. This property in Lomtsi is ideal for anyone looking to escape the busy city lifestyle. It's also a great option for remote workers, retirees, or creative people who need space and peace to thrive. The region is full of natural beauty, with lakes, forests, and open skies. It's also well connected, with Veliko Tarnovo and Ruse just over an hour away. You can enjoy the best of both worlds, tranquil country living with easy access to modern conveniences. So if you've been dreaming of a quiet life surrounded by nature, of owning a piece of land that you can make your own, or of investing in something tangible and meaningful, this might be your moment. This Bulgarian property for sale in Lomtsi is a rare find. At this price, with this land size and this much potential, it's not going to stay available for long. Visit our website at bg.house to see more photos, videos, and full details about the property. Reach out to us if you'd like to arrange a visit, or if you prefer a virtual tour, we can accommodate that too. We're here to make it easy for you to explore your options and feel confident in your decision. Thank you for joining us today. We hope this has sparked your imagination and given you a glimpse into what life could look like in rural Bulgaria. With space, freedom, and a slower pace of life, the Lomtsi property could be the start of your new chapter. Contact us today and let us help you make it happen.